What's up, Two Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm Two Fly B, and today I got another lit video for y'all today. As y'all seen by the title, I have another pair of Gucci slides. And y'all know most of the time, y'all know I do all my shopping online. But for this purchase, I actually went to the store and I bought it. So I have the bag. I got this some time ago. Without further ado, let's go and hop into it. Alright, Charles, as I was saying, this is the bag that it came in because I went into the Gucci store to pick these up. Let's untie it. And let's pull the shoes out. And as I go up in the bag, here's the box. Let's set the bag to the side. Alright, y'all, getting straight into the box. It's just a white and black box. It says Gucci in black on the front. Nothing else going around the sides. When I bought it, it was a black ribbon going around the box. In a bow, it was wrapped up like a present. Put the ribbon, put that black Gucci ribbon to the side. And if y'all wanted to see, the ribbon says Gucci going across. And I'm aware that, like I say, now they have changed the packaging. You still get the ribbon and everything, it's just a different color. It's not black. Now as I open up the box here, I'm greeted with two. Both of the shoes have their own dust bag. These are what the dust bags look like. It says Gucci on each one of them. White dust bags. Also on the inside, I have this Gucci envelope. It also has this authentication Gucci booklet. And inside this envelope, it just have my receipt. All right, so let's set that to the side. I'm gonna come back to the pricing. So I'm gonna sit that right here. Now let's go into the dust bag and pull out the shoe. When I pull it out, the dust bag, they both have their own plastic. And that's it for the box. So let's go ahead and put everything back in the box, move it to the side so we can get into the shoes. And this is what the shoes look like once I take them out. Let me get my thumbnail, we can get straight into it. Getting straight into the shoe. This is the right shoe. You know, I'm gonna do my 360 before we get into the details. This is a casual rubber slide sandal with Gucci's web detail. Now let's go get into it. This is an all over white rubber slide. We have Gucci in the back. We have the red and green web detail on the front going across the foot holder. You see here we have a rubber midsole. And look how thick the footbed is. This is a molded rubber footbed. This is the bottom. Now guys, I have one of my shoes already. I've had these for years. This was actually my first designer pickup that I actually went into the store and picked up. And after that, I've just been ordering online ever since. On the back, it says Gucci made in Italy. And this is how the shoe looks. Nice, simple rubber shoe. On the website, it states that it's a casual shoe. And I can see that. It's nice. On my pair, I do have a little like scars, but it's okay. Like I said, I've had this shoe for 5 years. I bought this shoe in 2018 and it still looks good if you ask me for 5 years. This is the right shoe. Let's hop into the left shoe. Also, wait, let's talk about the bottom. Man, you see how the bottom, it kind of do look like a Timberland bottom. So these are comfortable. With this footbed being like this, really comfortable, man. It might take a little bit for it to form to your feet, but once you do, it's comfortable. All right, this is the right shoe. Hopping into the left shoe, it's the exact same thing. We have this slide, which is all white rubber with the green and red web detailing on the front. Just like the left shoe, on the back we have Gucci. We have this molded rubber footbed. Really thick, as you see, the inches off the ground, so it's comfortable. You don't have to worry about walking on the ground. You see it have the ridges. It's really good. This is thick, man. It's kind of like a Timberland bottom, like I just stated. So yeah, you good. You got traction. You got all of that. On the front, you just have green and red. Like I said, I do have some scars on this side as well, as you can see. So I'm just showing y'all how the shoe hold up over years, because I've had this for a while, like I just told y'all. But overall, and you know, sometimes guys, you know, like white shoes, they start yellowing and things, but I think this shoe is aging well. Okay. And just for little care tips, if you guys like little care tips, protect from direct light, heat and rain. Should it become wet, dry it immediately with a soft cloth. And then I also would like for you to fill the shoe with tissue paper to help maintain the shape and absorb humidity. Then store it in provided foam bag and box. So when you're done cleaning these up, they want you to put them back in the bag, the dust bags in which they come in, and put them back in the box. And that's how you keep the product like new and protect it from whatever it comes against. And yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, this shoe was in when y'all remember Gucci made that song. He said, I just go in some Gucci flip-flops. Man, everybody in their mom was buying some Gucci slides. Everybody back then was getting the black ones. So when I went to get mine, I wanted white, because not many people was getting the white one back then. Everybody was getting the black slides, and I wanted mine to stand out. I wanted to be a little different from everybody else. Granted, I know people was getting the black because, you know, over time, black lasts longer than white. You know, the white can get dirty, this and that, but I take care of my shoes, as you guys know. So that it wasn't a concern for me. And also because with the black slides, a lot of people was wearing them often. That was like their regular daily slide. And I knew this was not going to be my daily slide. Just pull these out when I feel like it. You know, when I'm feeling like wearing them. It's not my only slide, so I was okay to go with the white. And this is a slide, man. I like the shoe. What do you guys think about the shoe? Is this something you guys should wear? Have you guys ever bought this? Looked at it? Do you guys want to get it? Like I say, this is the web slide. And I feel like it was a W purchase for me. 5 years later, I still like the slide. I'm still able to say great things about it. So that mean a lot. But guys, let's talk pricing, shall we? So as I stated already, and y'all see by the title, this is the Gucci web slide sandal, right? So let's go into my envelope and see how much I paid for them. Let's see how much I paid for them. Alright guys, so I got this from downtown Chicago. When I bought this shoe retailed at $210 before taxes. After taxes, my total came out to $231.60. So that was a cool $232. Now guys, they go for $400 online. $400. They go for $400 online, man. People ask me would I recommend this shoe. You know, if you was able to get this shoe for the price that I paid back then, oh yeah, I would say this is definitely worth $210. This is why I went to get it. I feel like this was a quality shoe. You know how like most slides, they're not this thick. You don't have this thick, you know, this thick footbed. And then with the midsole being solid, this is a solid midsole. It also comes with the Timberland bottom. So I knew this was a sturdy, solid slide. This is worth $210 if you ask me. Which is why I ended up paying $230 after tax, and it was no problem. But now, man, $400, yikes. Honestly, now I think it is still worth $400. I'm glad I didn't have to pay the $400. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm glad I didn't have to pay $400 for this. But for it to still maintain and hold up, and like I say, I've had this shoe for 5 years and it's still holding up. It's still looking good. Grant, y'all know I don't wear my shoes every day. I don't beat my shoes up. When I wear my shoes, I clean my shoes afterwards. So you know, I take care of them on my end. I do what I can do. But wow, man, it's crazy how the prices are just going up over time. And that just shows, like with everything, prices really just gradually go up over time. Because I also remember back when the shoes used to be, when they went up from $210 to $230. I haven't looked at them in a while, and I just looked at them and now they $400. And I think that's crazy for this slide that was once $210. So man, if you lucked up and got these when they was $210, let me know in the comments. If you didn't but you still want them, do you feel like it's worth $400? You gotta let me know what you think. You know, I want to hear your opinion of it. But this is the shoe, guys. So now you have pricing and you have the breakdown of the shoe. Alright, Two Block Found, that was it for the review on the Gucci web slide sandals. Like I already said, let me know how you feel about them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. Shout out to all my subscribers. Shout out to everybody who support me. Shout out to everybody who's been sticking with me, who've been with me on this journey, who gonna keep going with me throughout my journey. I appreciate y'all. You know, my love for y'all run deep. No cap. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. Get up with y'all next video. I'm gone. Be smooth.